Hello traders, welcome back again. It is very unfortunate that we still fall for all these cheap scammers, and I just have nothing to say. But anyway, our today's video, I'm going to talk about forex and cryptocurrency. But before I get started, I want to apologize to each and every one of you that I made a lot of promises on starting the FX journey, which I was unable to. Now, the reason why I was unable to is because of your turn up. The turn up was very poor, and you all voted for it, and the turn up was very poor. Trust me, what I was about to give you is actually a golden of what, even if you pay for some mentorship, they won't be able to give you such. First, I am not an expert. I am not claiming that I knew more than others. In fact, I'm still a newbie like you, but my newbie is just I have little experience, which is helping me. During the time I learned this FX, I spent a lot of funds, used a lot of funds, because the proper guide, nobody told me that okay, go and use cent account though the way I am telling you guys today. No, nobody told me so. But today I open up my mind, open up my everything to you guys, but still you still keep you still took advantage of it, which is very very bad, and I feel so unhappy, and I just have to let go of it. But due to too much pressure that has been mounted on me to these 2 days, I decide to reason together with us as a team member or as a family member. I will not just abandon you. So now let's quickly talk about forex. Hold on please, before we talk about the forex, let me quickly address this issue again. um Please and please, as you all know, I always say that I really don't need your fund, I don't need your money or everything like that. I am saying this not because if you give me I'm not going to take. I'm going to take. Even $1 is a something. If you give me, I'm going to take, and I'm going to appreciate. But for me to come to you and start saying come and invest, or come and do this, come and pay for this, come and pay for that, I am not interested. I don't need that. I don't need that. Your fund is not the one I use for my daily survival. I always run Etasketa to get my 2k daily for my survivor, and I have my way of getting that legitimately. So why will I need your money? So, and just let that go. But please take note that anybody that come to you for any investment, that will not be me, because a case was reported just a day before yesterday, and also yesterday we were trying to iron out some stuff that some people are using my platform and blowing people, which I am not aware, and I keep warning, but still some people, I don't know, I don't just know. I'm not going to say anything about anything again. If I found out myself, I'm going to talk, but if I don't, then I'll just let go of it. Now, this is crypto, and like we have been focused on crypto for a very long time, and we now want to also put forex into consideration. I already promised that I'm going to guide you, but trust me, I felt so discouraged, which I don't just know. I don't want to talk about it because the turn up was very poor, so I just have to let go of it. Now, if you truly want to make money from forex, it's not that very big, but trust me, forex is good as well. But if you want to make money from something, you must need to learn how that specific thing operates. Yes, I actually on my previous video I advised us to get a cent account, not because just because of if you are trading with demo account, Just I am saying based on my experience, if you are trading in demo account, you will overtrade. In fact, you won't care or bother. But if you have a cent account, you will be able to use it, and you will be able to use it to learn the proper forex. Forex is not that difficult if you pay a very close attention to it. This is the same cent account I showed you guys some days back, and as you can see, everything is blue. I've been giving the signal for over past 3 weeks now, and we have not recorded any loss since I've been giving the signal. And this cent account, I actually made a deposit of just $20, and I was able to turn it to almost $100, because look at it now. You can see here the profit is just showing this profit here. This profit here, someone actually chatted me that is it possible that they can withdraw the money. I say yes, and as you can see, I have withdrawn 3,000 cents here, which is equivalent to $30. That means the money I invested, I have already removed back my money with another profit, and currently I'm having $7 as a profit now. Look at it, $70, which is almost 71,000 cents, right? So this is the best way as a newbie. This is not just an advice, this is just the best way to use, to utilize, and use to learn your whatever you want to learn. So now, based on the video, even if I make the video, I know it will still not prompt the way, but I have decided that okay, I discuss one of my mentor that I said is from Ghana. Actually, he has everything we want to teach as well. So I will advise us to check up his channel so that we can learn a lot from there. And I will be very ready for us. If you have any question or any challenge, I will be very ready to answer us, to assist everybody. And also, I will also start up my own video as well on the forex, but that won't be the way I wanted to channel it at the first, meaning which is from scratch to whatever. I'm going to start it like the strategy I use, everything I use in making it. So that is everything I'm going to focus on, and I believe that it's going to help you. But for the newbie who have nothing or have no any knowledge about FX, I will advise you to check this channel. I'm gonna view it here. So the name of the channel is actually Leading Forex, and the name of the owner is Coffee Dollar. So everything you wanted to learn about forex is here. If you just come to this forex for beginner, as you can see, it have almost more than 100 plus video here. So and everything is being stationed step by step, which is forex trading number 1, 2, 3 up to unlimited. And trust me, if you can learn from this man is my mentor as well. I also learn from him as well. He's my friend as well from Ghana. So, and I will go in talk with him, and shortly is going to join our platform as well. So I will contact him and talk to him. I have his contacts. We have been in contact for a very long time. I've known him for more than maybe 3 years to 4 years, and he is very good man. So I'm going to contact him as well. So we are going to collaborate together. And this is just everything I want to give you. On the other hand, I dropped 2 video again on the platform, which is, I say it's from Emeka. Actually, Emeka also is a very good person as well. I've known his channel for more than 2 years, and the man is very doing well. He's also a good mentor. But some of you keep asking me I should drop the link. Trust me, if you keep running from here to there, you will end up of learning nothing, because if you go to his channel, you will actually find many videos as well. I am not saying I'm not going to give you. I'm going to give you, but I actually know why I uploaded that two video, because trust me, those two video, if you pay attention to it, it is something that happen every day. So I don't know why you people are still demanding I should give you the link. But trust me, I'm going to give you the link, but I'm just telling you this. If you start jumping from one video to another video, you will end up of learning nothing, because you are going to be confused. I, as little experienced trader, giving you this advice that you should focus on that. So, and that is reason why I only dropped that two video. So, but I'm going to leave the link here. So on the other hand, for the crypto, we tend to abandon our strategies. I have made a lot of strategies video on the channel, and since we tend to abandon it, the strategy is not for me, it's for you. It's just that you need to just stick to one strategy, and trust me, you will make a lot of money from any strategy you pick. And like I always say, I am always open for your questions and answer. If you pick any strategy, if you are finding any difficulty, you should be able to ask question, which if I'm not available, there are some experienced people that will answer your question, but I really don't know what to do again, because I believe that I have done my part. So for the crypto side, I will start giving the signal any moment from now, maybe tomorrow, or any moment from this week or next week. Promise to start giving signal for the crypto as well, the way we are doing for the forex. And also in the forex, if you some of you are still asking if on the Bybit, yes, I wanted to make a video on the Bybit, but I believe that the previous video I made earlier should be able to guide you, and it's very simple, just the way I explain it. If you still have any question on that, regarding to that, please do contact me. I'm going to just message me on the platform. If you contact me on my private chat, I may not see your message early, but if you ask the question, I'm going to reply you. So if you haven't joined our Telegram, our channel, our WhatsApp channel, which we recently created for just only for signal, I will advise you to join now. So this is our channel, on which you can just look at it. I created it just this month or last month, and I made announcement today, and as you can see, so far we have almost 141 people that have joined. So in this channel, I'm going to leave the link under this video description so that we can join as well, and every signal will be dropped here as well. And again, the lastly, if you haven't followed our Twitter and you are using Twitter, I will plead with you that you should as well follow our Twitter. Also, one of the reasons why I little discouraged is, even if I organize a talk, one-on-one talk with you people, you will still not join. So if not, all this what I'm saying now should be organized as one-on-one talk. But some of you, the last time we organized, it's only 12 people that show up, which is very, very poor and bad. So that is just it for this video. See you in our next video.